Hello coders, welcome back to my channel LazyCoder. Today we will see bank management system project. In this project I have developed multiple features, like you can see that currently I have logged in as a customer, okay, which get many features like payment, transfers, transactions, wallets. If we go to the wallets, like all the cards, these all are the just dummy cards, right? Like savings, investment, loans, okay, so like all the gold loan, cash loan would be there. Like AI assistant is there where they can chat like what's my current balance, this, so that they do not have to go here and there, okay. And promos are there, like suppose you have got something, so you will get like flight tickets, rewards, okay, cashbacks, points. So multiple things I have incorporated in this project. Okay, in this project you will also get all the documentation like architectural diagram, okay. You can see that the domain layer, data layer, okay. Use case diagram is there, like customer can register their account, okay. What admin can do, what a customer can do, like you can see all the DFD diagrams is there. ER diagrams you will see, like class entity, the ER diagrams, right? Like how profile users is related, how cards are related. So like you can see like pause the video and you can see class diagram. So all the project reports is properly there. So without okay, so let's go to my channel. So this is my channel LazyCoder, where I upload multiple projects. So you have subscribed me, like my family now got to 18,000. okay, so thank you so much guys, and please like subscribe it, so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. And if you want custom project, like you can comment out, I will try to make that as well. Okay, so on in this like channel you can see that I have uploaded multiple projects like a school management system, hostel management, queue management, pharmacy, airline. So you can just go to my channel, you can search the LazyCoder onto the YouTube and you will get this icon like channel. So without wasting any time, let's go to the project and see what all features are there in this project. Okay, so currently I have logged in as a like Andrew Sebastian account, right? These are the just a dummy account that I have created, and these are the, like on the dashboard you will see like what's the current balance, right? Saving, investment. I mean, like in this project you will also get features to invest something, invest on some stock or something, okay. So expense breakdown is there, like a housing loan would be there. If subscription, suppose you have some subscription on Netflix or Amazon Prime or whatever, so you can like you can see the expense breakdown like this, okay. And saving goal is there, okay. So it's a credit card, whatever the active credit card is there. These are the just a dummy one, it's not a correct one, so that I have just put it as a dummy, okay. And so currently you can see the recent transactions on the dashboard itself, so that you do not have to go to the transaction sidebar and then see. So if we go to the payments, like total payment this month, okay, total expense, transfer, top up payment. So okay, if we click on the transfer, okay, so you can see that like so suppose payment creation is there, right? So if you want to do like you can select the cards, okay, service provider like Netflix is there, right? So you can just make the payment, okay. And if you click on the like transfers, okay, you can see all the like top transfer trends, okay, like according to the day wise, like right. So on the 13th of August 20,000 got transferred, okay. Top recipient this one, right? So you can add new transfer like recipients, okay. And if we go to the transactions, okay, so here what you can do that these are all the just dummy data, it's not a correct one. You can search all the transactions, okay. Filters, make the filters, okay. And on the top you can search any transactions. If you click here, like AI assistant is there, right? Like how much I spent on food, suppose if I click on it, so you can see that it replied you have spent this much amount on food and dining, right? Okay, so you can chat as well, okay. So notification system is also there, like you can compose like you can send a message to any person, okay, like inside the bank only, not outside the bank, okay. And you can see the inbox, okay, sent, right, spam, like proper email system is there, okay. And if we go to the wallets, all the wallets, you can like whenever like 3 cards is there, right, assigned to this. So if I click on the first one, it will show you the details for the first one. Okay, if you go to the transfers, like it will redirect to you to this page. Okay, and payments is there, like top up is there. Okay, so like you do not have to go to each page and then do that changes. Okay, so from here only you can do this. Okay, and if you go to the savings, right, here you can see that vacation trip is completed 100% is there, right, emergency fund is this one. So like you can divide the payments into the multiple category, right, new gadget education fund is this much, so that you can like you can do the savings according to your goals, right. So so these pieces is there, like you can create the goal here, right, goal name and target amount, right, saved, how much is saved, how many, you can like give the target months also, right, saving tip. Okay, any tip you can give here. Okay, and investment, if we go to the investment, like you can do the investment also here. Okay, and this will be updated here. Loans is there, like a proper loan management system is application is also there, like active loan balance is 13,000, right, and pending application is 4. Okay, total loan accounts is 8, right, we can apply for a gold loan. Okay, suppose if I want to apply for gold loan, right, here you can see that 50 grams of loans on gold, right, and purity this much, and how much you want, right, so how much tenure month, when they will apply. Okay, so suppose if I want to apply this one, what will happen that it will go to the admin bank admin, and then the admin can like approve or reject it. All right, so here like you can see that gold loan application submitted, our team will review it shortly. Right now it's showing total loan accounts as a 9, right, earlier it was 8. Okay, so we have already seen this AI assistant. Okay, and inbox we have already seen. If we go to the promos, okay, so what will happen here, like if you select something. Okay, so weekend dining you have selected. Suppose if you go to the flight tickets, okay, so it will show you the coupon code. Okay, and it will show like how you can apply, open the BMS app, select the promo, pay to redeem. Okay, so you can use this coupon to redeem it. Okay, and from when to when it will be valid, it will be shown. Right, so there are multiple promos and offers like fuel, grocery, right, platinum card is there, right. If you go to the here, like it's showing you the platinum card, right. So like you can see multiple features are there, and here activity logs are there. So it is the most important features you can say here, right, so that you can track all the activity. Suppose something goes wrong, right, and you say that it's not done by us or me, right, so that you can track all the you can activity, right. So you can say that fund moves successfully this much. Okay, right, so all those things you can track here. Okay, just now what I did, that I requested for the gold loan, right, so it's saying that you have requested for the gold loan. Okay, and so here my profile section is there, where they can update their first name, last name. These all are the just a dummy data, it's not a correct one. So these are the features for the like customers. I know that multiple things can more be added here. Okay, and if we go to the like logout, just log out, and this is the home page of the main application. Okay, and features is there, like pricing system is also there, like if we go to the $0, so it's a forever one free card. Okay, like if the person is wants more than one card, they can apply for the get plus. Okay, likewise features are there. Okay, then they can go to the get started. When they will go to the get started, they can just put their all the details, and they can create their account, and once they will create their account, then they can log in. Okay, so I have already logged in as a Andrew, right, that's why it's showing. Now I will log in as a admin, and I will show that what all features are there for the admin. Oh, sorry, I logged in as a customer only. Now let's log out as a customer. and log in as a admin back. Okay, now here you can see that on the left and right hand side, one second. Okay, so I have logged in, and now you can see that the all the themes got changed, right? This is not like same as a customer, right? So on the here dashboard, admin dashboard, like total users is showing, total deposits is showing in the bank, 7 card is issued, right? Transaction process this much. Okay, so it will be more, right? It's just a dummy data or seeded data, that's why it's showing you this one. Okay, checkbooks is in progress, loans awaiting a review 6. Okay, so users is there, like they can manage or block it, right? Manage it means what? Editing and deleting, right? And if once they block, they can't log in. Okay, I will show you, like suppose if I click on the block, okay, and read, so what will happen? They can't log in. Okay, so users is blocked, right? And once you will click on a user, you can see that how many cards are assigned, right? What are the recent transactions, right? And checkbooks is there, gold loan is, you can see that just now I have applied, right? That's why it's showing you the pending in review. I will show you, like in the loan section here, in the gold loans I will show you. Okay, so account, if you go to the accounts, like all the customer accounts, they can see transaction, like they can see here. Okay, and search on the filters, cards is there, like issue a new card. Suppose if I click on the issue new card and select the customer, and then like whatever the theme you want, you can assign type, is it visa card or debit card, saving card, network, whatever, like opening balance, okay, Mastercard, American Express, Rupee, whatever card is there, like you can issue to them. And checkbox is the same, like you can ask for the payment from the checkbooks. Okay, or you can issue a new checkbook also. And gold loans, if we go to the gold loans, now here what will happen, you can see that Andrew Sebastian has applied for this loan, right? So what we can do, or admin can do, like review it. Suppose if I click on the review, either we can reject, like admin can reject it, or mark as active, okay, or closed. Suppose I am approving it, XYZ region. Okay, so you can give the region also. And so you can see that approved funds will be disbursed shortly, means it will be credited to their account shortly. Okay, and cash loans is the separate, gold loans is separate, and cash loan is separate. So the same features would be there, but it's categorized differently. Okay, ATM locations are there, so that they can manage it, or you can say the shutdown it. Okay, so that they can't operate it. They can delete it as well, but promos is there, right? So here what will happen, unfeature, once you will unfeature it, it will be not shown to that customers. Oh, right. Contact inbox is there, so that once they will send a message, or you can say the open it, any issue, they can like trigger it. Like you can see that you can mark the as a handled, right? So I think that I know that multiple features can more be implemented, but for now I have implemented this. Okay, so let's log out as a admin, and let's try to log in as a Andrew Sebastian again. What will happen, I have just blocked it, right? So they can't log in again. If I click here, like login, you can see that please enter a correct username and password. Note that the both fields may be case sensitive. Why it's not showing, it's not allowing you to log in? Why? Because admin have blocked it. So yeah, this is about the bank management system project. If you want this project, just comment out, I will, or check the description. Okay, source code is there. And if you want some other project also, you can just comment out, I will try to provide the source code. Okay, and please subscribe to the LazyCoder, so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. Thank you so much guys for watching.